What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Today is not gonna be KTM or RX-7. It's gonna be a different bike. It's a Yamaha R7 60th anniversary, 2022, and it looks incredible. Like, they did a good job. It is like a MotoGP bike. So let's check it out. You're gonna see me installing the aftermarket exhaust, and then we're gonna give little revs and we'll see the difference of the sound. So let's do it. As you saw, we took it off. It was really simple. I think it's the first exhaust I take out, and that it needs that probably like a 5 tools, maybe a little more. I'm gonna show you right now what do you need exactly to take this exhaust out and then put a new one on. Let's check it out. These are the only tools I use. So pretty much like a screwdriver, Phillips, a little long one for the bottom things. I don't know how to call this exactly. This is the one you take off these clips, the plastic clips. A small screwdriver Phillips. An Allen key number 4 with just the screwdriver handle. 17 millimeters wrench for the sensor. 2 extensions, 12 millimeter socket, and 1 3/8 wrench. So that's all you need to take everything off. As you see it, simple, clean, and everything looks perfect. Also, you have to be careful. These 2 gaskets is for the two exhaust ports. So make sure you put this back in. And over here, you see, this is the stock. You can see here the difference is really heavy, so small, and it's really heavy. Yep. So as you just saw, just heard, this is the aftermarket exhaust, the spark exhaust, but it has the silencer in there, so it makes pretty loud sound. So I guess I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. I'm gonna give some revs with without the silencer, because the guy who owns this bike, he just called me. He's like, I don't want any silencer in the bike. I want to make noise. So I'm like, okay, no problem. So I'm gonna just take out the silencer. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna rev it so we can see how loud this is, and we see how it sounds. I believe it's gonna sound really sick. So let me take out the silencer real quick and let's rev it. Oh my god, guys. This thing sounds so loud. I don't know if he's gonna like it without the silencer. So let's see, hopefully he likes it. So we can leave it like that. I mean, it's pretty loud, not jokes. One more thing we have to do on this bike is we have to go take it tuned. Give it a little more, you know, like let's say stage 2 or stage 3, whatever they have upgrade for this bike for full exhaust. And also I changed the air filter. So we're gonna tune these, and then we're gonna take it on the street, you know, hit it, and then we'll see what it did. And if he increased little horsepower, I believe he's gonna increase horsepower 100% with a full exhaust, air filter, and of course a stage 2 or 3. I'm not sure which one it is, but yes, definitely. I'm not gonna rev it too high. I'm gonna take it outside because over here it makes a lot of noise. I'm gonna take it outside on the street. I'm gonna rev a little bit so you guys can hear it, and yeah, that's it. And then hopefully I can take this bike after he tunes, so I can make it a little ride with it. So that's it, guys. So enjoy the sound of this exhaust. See you in the next one. Peace out.